Sir, what do you think you're diagnosing the problem here with this vehicle?
This.
Yeah. Are you gonna fix that?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Put some more. What are you doing? You're putting some rocker moldings on there. The screws.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Show me. Show me how you do that.
This.
Okay. And what else? What do you do? What's that? Socket wrench?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. How do you use that? How does it work? Okay. Let's see. Put it on. Show me how it works. You're pretty good with that right there. Let me ask you a question. How old are you?
4.
Wow.
Babe, I'm gonna go to the store. Shut it off for a minute. You're wasting time.
Hey, Anthony.
Yeah.
Let me ask you another question.
Yeah.
You love to build cars?
Yup. This. Like this. It's gonna be fit. This. More weight in room. You can fit it more.
Oh, yeah?
You can fit the grass and then fit the more.
Okay.
See?
What else are you going to do to it?
This side. And get mold it.
Oh, yeah? All right.
You cut the car off here. Make it do like here.
Mm-hmm.
Like bring this.
Yeah?
Like here.
Uh-huh.
And you bring this.
Okay.
And a real big bowl.
All right. Good job.
Yeah.
All righty then.
Break this.
All right. Let's go get some food now. Come on.
Right here.
Fixing cars. Anthony, does fixing cars give you a big appetite?
Yup. Like this. And this.
All right.
Mold this. This. We get get this wire. And show you.